Hello, this is Michael Barnett. This is my NLP assignment. Um, let's get into it. So I have a few websites I'm going to go over that I wanted to use. First, it's the the website I got was American Views of NASA. I haven't read it yet, so we're going to do an analyst of it right now. So there's 151 sentences. Number of words 4,979. And if we look at the word chart, let's expand this. If we look at the word chart, space was mentioned a lot. NASA was mentioned quite a few times. Yeah, this is interesting. Explain it a little bit more. So this is the visualization part. I would say for this particular website, what I'm getting from this is more positive, I would say. And I would say the fact that why I think it's positive is because of, two words that jump at me. The word good job and the word likely. And I'll say that, in this word good, I'll say that out of all these words here, everything kind of seems more neutral. And I guess those words are kind of like swinging me towards somewhat. See, even the word positive, I guess those words are kind of swinging me towards a little bit of positive type of feeling. Even this word right here, I didn't even see that, mostly good. So that's how I feel. And even according to the chart agrees with me. The bar graph agrees with me. It's saying that there's a lot more positive sentences than there are negative and neutral. So according to the summary, positive sentences 102, negative 27, and neutral 22. So overall, I guess what I'm getting from this is that the American people do view NASA as a good sector. Or just to be more specific to the website, there's a good chance there's some good reviews and whatever information is being displayed on this website from the American people. So that's that for that one website. Let's go to another one. The next website I chose was I kind of wanted to choose a website like Reddit, which is just pure kind of pure public opinion, I guess. And I got it from one of, not the chat rooms, but one of the discussions. And so yeah, let's do some analyzation to that. It's gonna be fun. I know Reddit's not kind of the most professional type of website, but I do know that it's pure. It has a lot more public opinion. So, anyways, as you can see from the word chart, who would know? Reddit's one of the top words listed. These are the words that are listed the most. And now for the visualization part. I would say that this word right here, swam me. I would say, excuse me, I would say that I'm getting a few negative um, type of words that are popping out to me. I mean, the word trying, still. I mean, I guess trying to be neutral or, anyways, still. It's um, a word that could be used to mean bad stuff because nothing's improving. Um, yeah, so I would say, actually, I changed. I would say this is really neutral, which is crazy because this is public discussion. I'm surprised people haven't put more of their opinion. But anyways, and actually, I'm wrong. According to the website, it's a lot more positive sentences than there are negative, and there's more positive than there are neutral. So whatever um, discussion they're talking about relating to NASA's SLS, I believe, you're getting a lot of positive feedback. So I guess NASA is doing a really good job on their end. Even here, positive sentences. So it's 11, 8, and 6 neutral. So if we go up to, what am I doing? If we go up to this next website, this is the first website I had. Um, this was relaying. This was talking about NASA's history as well ever since their creation. So let's run it. So before I actually go into this, I'm expecting to kind of have a lot of neutral type of feeling. Neutral, yeah, neutral because this is just the history. I don't know how they would be swinging more negative or positive direction. If they're just displaying facts, displaying facts. Okay, so NASA, of course, top word listed. Um, so science. This is off the bat. This is giving me a neutral feeling. Of course, that's predicted, but it's giving me a neutral feeling based on the fact that, I'm not saying no bad words that would sway me towards negative, and no good words. So this is expected because this is a historic post from NASA. And Lord and behold, I'm proven wrong again. There's a lot more positive than there are neutral and negative, which is, I guess, expected too, because this is from NASA, the company itself, not the company, NASA, the sector itself. So they're gonna, I guess, be a lot more biased in the information. So there's a lot of positive. 14, 8, and then 14 positive, 5 negative, 8 neutral. Um, Also, for one of the methods, I allowed it so that particular words I should change this word and make, I guess, a user variable. I mean, user input, but found, I guess, is in the following sentences. So yeah. Oh, and it's saying the word not found, rocket, and it's saying rocket is not in any meaningful words. So yeah, it's interesting. But now let's get to the bread and butter. Let's talk about this code. Excuse me. So, okay, so the libraries I have displayed up here, of course. The class, the HTML pages. So this method right here accesses the I'm sorry, it fetches the HTML website, and I'm just trying to open the actual URL in this code. As you can see, one of the comments says remove HTML tags. The next method is sentence tokenizer, which is the actual, it breaks the sentences apart. Well, not the sentences, it breaks the text apart into individual sentences. And it's trying to convert the sentences to lowercase letters to remove any new lines. And then you have the word tokenizer right here, which is doing the same thing, but this time it's breaking the words, the text into words. And then you have the clean words, which I guess is kind of like the janitor. It's trying to remove punctuation and I guess any words that are common that just would mess up the data, like, in a sense. And this is the visualization chart for the word. And here is the cloud visualization. So it's just showing the cloud message right here. And right here is the frequency analysis. So it's showing, well, it's counting how often the aerospace terms appear in the text. So it's basically just searching for a specific term like rocket, satellite, and engine, propulsion. I can change this. I guess you can make this user input and have the user, I guess, you want to see how many times a particular word popped up in the text. But I chose these particular words. The sentiment and analysis method, this basically just this basically gives an analysis. So it's saying, okay, how much of this is positive, negative, or neutral. And it's using the text block to calculate the sentiment of the individual sentences. So next method here, there's a lot of methods. Next method right here is the summarize aerospace topics. So it's summarizing the sentences that are related to the aerospace topics that I have. So next is the actual word search, which is just searching for a word and displaying its context and frequency. That's verbatim what the comment says. So it's searching the sentences for occurrences, and then it's printing results. And then right here, final method is the search and analysis. And so it's looking for, it's basically just looking for meaningful words and aerospace terms. That's basically the whole bread and butter of this. So these are the 3 URLs I had. I wanted to choose 3 to kind of demonstrate, not demonstrate, but to show how effective my code is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really had a good time doing this project. One of my favorites. I definitely learned a lot. And I appreciate your time listening to me. Have a good day. Thank you so much.